In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an entire row or column in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where you want to make changes. This is a simple task, but it's important to understand what happens when you delete a full row or column. When you remove an entire row or column, Excel deletes everything inside it, including data, formatting, and any formulas. This can be really helpful when you're cleaning up a worksheet, removing information you no longer need, or reorganizing the layout of your spreadsheet. To make this easier to understand, imagine you're working with a small employee table that includes columns like employee ID, employee name, department, and salary. In a sheet like that, you may decide that one row is no longer needed, or that one whole column should be removed to simplify the file. Let's start with deleting an entire row. To do that, click the row number on the far left side of the worksheet. For example, if you want to remove row 3, click directly on the number 3. This highlights the entire row, so Excel knows you want to work with all of it, not just one cell. Next, right-click the selected row and choose Delete. Excel will remove that entire row, and all the rows below it will automatically shift upward to fill the space. Now let's look at deleting an entire column. Click the column letter at the top of the worksheet. For example, if you want to remove column C, click the letter C. Once the whole column is selected, right-click the column header and choose Delete. Excel removes the entire column, and the columns to the right shift left to close the gap. Another way to do the same thing is by using the ribbon. Select the row or column you want to delete, then go to the Home tab. In the Cells group, click Delete. From there, choose Delete Sheet Rows if you selected a row, or Delete Sheet Columns if you selected a column. This method is especially useful if you prefer using the menus instead of right-clicking. You can also use a keyboard shortcut to delete a row. Select any cell in the row you want to remove, then press Ctrl and the minus key. Excel will open a small dialog box. Choose Entire Row, then click OK. This is a quick option if you want to work faster without using the mouse too much. That's all it takes to delete entire rows or columns in Excel. Just remember to double-check your selection before deleting, since everything in that row or column will be removed.